Hey, welcome guys in this tutorial of Solidworks. So we are going to see that how can you start an assembly file in Solidworks. So you first of all you need to have a part file, two different part files for which you are going to make an assembly. So I'm going to show you that I have a part file. You can make your own part file and you can use that part file to make an assembly. So let's save this block part file. So I make this block and I'm going to show you that how can you use this block to make an assembly. So let's start. So this is let's close this one. So now new and advanced, go to assembly. Okay, so this is the assembly file for the SolidWorks. Here you can see that you can open documents. So click on browse. Here browse the part file, click on open, and if you put like this, if you click on this arrow, it will automatically make the origin of part file and the assembly file coincident. So if I go like this, if I go for view origin, so you can see that the origin of part file and the assembly file is merged. So now in this way you can set the origin of the part file and the assembly file. Now again insert another component. So I'm going to insert that block again. You can click, if you open that part file, you can directly get that part file. If you click like this, you can get that part file. So I will put it like here. So I have put two different part files, as you can see here, and we are going to make the assembly of these two objects. So the first thing, we will make the assembly. For making an assembly, you have to use this mate option here. Click on mate. Now you have to select the parts of that object. So we are going to select this line and this line of these two different objects. So selecting the midpoint like this and midpoint of this. So as you can see here, it will directly coincident these two blocks, and you can say align axis if you want it, but it automatically align the axis because you have selected the midpoint. Click on right, so the object has been assembled in this way. So that's the one way. So let's close this. I'm going to move this block apart, but it can't move because it has mates. So I'm going for mates. Click on this, delete this mate. If I delete this mate, I can move that component again. So that's the one way. Now we are going to make the second assembly. For that, we are going to first of all rotate the second part a little bit and move it like this. So click on rotate. I'm going to rotate it like this and going for move. So this is perfect for making second assembly. Again going for mate, click on this edge or the bottom one, get the midpoint here, same for here. But now as you can see, the midpoint has been coincided but not the edges. What you can do, you can make this one. Now go for the line, like for the edge here. So the edge at the bottom has been mated. Click on this. Now select the this edge and this edge. So now it has been perfectly assembled like this. So that's the second assembly. You can make it in this easy way. Now we are going for making the third assembly. So for that, we have to remove this all mates. So we're going for this, right click on this, delete it, right click on this and delete it. So now the mate has been deleted. You can move that component again. Now we are going for the third assembly, which is like this. So we are going to join these two blocks. So now again going for mate, there are some standard mates: coincident, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric, log, and distance. You can give distance between these two objects of an, like, two edges or two faces of an object. You can give the angle between mates you want to create. So let's start again. So select this face and this face. Now you can see this is coincident. You can make it parallel also. So these two faces are parallel now. Let's say coincident. So it's coincident now, and then click on this. Now give these two edges like this. Click on right tick mark, give like this. So it has been mated like this. Click on tick mark, and now it has been perfectly mated. So in this way you can use this mate option, and you can assemble more than two different objects in Solidworks to make an assembly file. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and stay tuned for more Solidworks video and other videos. Thank you.